Here's another one.
Thank you. Here, open it up.
Who's it from? Oh, the Hoof Fairy. Dad made that up.
Oh, look, new shoes. New shoes. New shoes.
Let's see those.
Nice.
Oh, very pretty.
New shoes. Yeah, new shoes.
And get another present. Get another present. Here you go. Present.
Open it. Ready? This is to Ava from Mr. SquarePants. Here you go. What is this? Here. Open it up. Open it. Oh. What do you got there?
Is that pants? That's not very exciting. But we appreciate it, Grandma.
Pants. Pants. All right.
She needed some
Pants.